Hello guys, welcome back. Today I'll show you how to reset your PIN code on the LG LED Smart TV. On the remote control tap settings, navigate to Safety and click OK. Tap the right arrow, scroll down to Reset PIN code and click OK. In most cases, the default code is 0,000, so click OK. Now set a new PIN code, for example 1234, click OK, then re-enter the same code. That's how you reset the default code and set your own. If you found this helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.